Hey everyone, welcome to the very first video on Suban on crypto. I'm Suban, and if you're watching this right now, wow, thank you. This is my debut on YouTube, and I'm honestly a little nervous but super excited to share this with you. I created this channel because I love crypto. I've been learning it myself over the years, and I want to make it simple and approachable for total beginners, just like I was when I started. No hype, no confusing terms, just straight talk so you can understand and maybe even buy your first crypto without feeling overwhelmed. If you've seen Bitcoin in the headlines with its wild ups and downs lately, or heard people talking about it but had no idea where to begin, in this 10-minute beginner guide, my very first one, I'll explain what crypto is, how it works, the main coins to know right now in 2026, and the steps to get started anywhere in the world. If you enjoy this, hit the subscribe button. It means the world to me as I build this channel from scratch. And let's jump right in. First off, what is cryptocurrency? Crypto is digital money that only exists online. Unlike regular cash controlled by banks and governments, crypto uses advanced tech to let you send value across globally anywhere, often in minutes, with low fees and without a middleman like a bank. It actually started in 2009 with Bitcoin, created by a mysterious Satoshi Nakamoto. The big idea? Money that doesn't depend on big institutions, born out of the 2008 financial crisis when trust in banks was low. Today in 2026, Bitcoin is still king, but there are thousands of other cryptos out there. The key tech is blockchain. Think of it as a huge public digital ledger that everyone can see, but no one can actually change it. Every transaction gets added to a block, and computers around the world verify the math to make sure it's real. No cheating possible. Once it's in, it's locked forever. Super secure and transparent. This decentralization is powerful. No single boss controls it at all. Your money can't be frozen easily, and cross-border sends are fast and cheap compared to banks. Now, the top cryptocurrencies beginners should know in 2026. Number one, as discussed, Bitcoin. It's digital gold, as people say. Only 21 million will ever exist, so many hold it long-term as a store of value. Right now, in early February 2026, Bitcoin is around 69,000 to 71,000, after dipping below 61,000 recently. Prices are super volatile, moving fast. Number two, Ethereum. This is more than money. It's a platform for building apps. It powers decentralized finance, DeFi, for lending or trading without banks, and smart contracts that can run automatically. Next up, we have XRP from Ripple. XRP is designed specifically for fast, low-cost international payments and transfers between banks or financial institutions. It's known for bigger, super quick transactions which settle in seconds and cheap compared to traditional systems like SWIFT. In early 2026, Ripple is trading around $1.42 to $1.43 after some recent dips and bounces. It's one of the bigger altcoins by market cap and has a lot of real-world use case in cross-border finance. Then we have stablecoins like USDT, Tether, or USDC are practically same. They stay pegged around $1 tied to the US dollar, so they're great for steady value or moving money without big swings. Other popular altcoins right now include Solana for lightning fast and cheap transactions, BNB from Binance for ecosystem perks, or fun meme coins like Dogecoin, obviously. XRP fits here too as a strong altcoin focused on payments. Many people hold it for its utility in global transfers rather than it's just speculation. But for beginners, stick to Bitcoin, Ethereum, and maybe a bit of XRP or stablecoins first. Don't chase every new trendy coin yet. Okay, how do you actually buy some, you ask? Step 1, choose an exchange. There are online platforms to trade regular money for crypto. Beginner-friendly ones in 2026 out there are Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, Gemini, or Crypto.com. They're easy, work in most countries, super bank cards and transfers, and focus on security. Sign up, verify your ID, required almost everywhere for safety purposes. Deposit funds by starting small, like $50 or $100, to test without any stress, obviously. Search Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, or whatever you want. Hit buy and you own it. Step 2, store it safely in a wallet. Don't leave big amounts in the exchanges forever. For starters, free software wallets like Coinbase Wallet, MetaMask, Trust Wallet are great on phone or computer. For more security later, get a hardware wallet like a Ledger Nano or Trezor. It keeps things offline and secure in your possession. Key rules, remember, never share your private keys or seed phrases. That's like giving away your bank login. Also enable two-factor authentication everywhere. Honestly, crypto has big risk. Volatility is crazy. Prices can jump crashes of 20% in a single day. We see massive runs and drops. Only invest what you can afford to lose completely. Scams are common in 2026, like fake giveaways, phishing, shady projects disappear. Use trusted sites. Check your URLs. It's probably fake if you don't know it. Taxes, obviously. Most places do tax crypto for profits. Keep records. Environmentally, some use lots of energy, but greener shifts are happening. Quick tips from me on my video. Start tiny and learn by doing. Track prices on CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. Avoid FOMO, fear of missing out. Think long term, not hype. Stick around here for more simple guides as I grow my channel. Crypto is exciting, early tech that could change money and digital ownership forever, but it's risky, not for everyone. That's the beginner basics in about 10 minutes. Thanks so much for watching my very first YouTube video. You just made my day. If this helped, like, subscribe on Suban on Crypto, and comment what crypto questions do you have for future videos. I'll read everyone. Safe exchange and wallet. Links in description, everyone. Thanks again. Stay curious, stay safe, and see you in the next one on Suban on Crypto.